Hi, welcome back to my channel. I would like to introduce to you to BizIntelliPro Ultimate SaaS-based application, the most complete, modern, intelligent business intelligence application you can build with Streamlit. This is not a template. This is not a fake. The application or the data inside of it or the data that's going to be scraped by this application are not fake. They are not placeholders, right? This is a full production-ready system designed for real business use. In this video, I'll show you the entire app or entire app in action from sleek UI to the powerful back-end modules. First, we are here with Lead Finder, a smart powered module that fetches local businesses, ranks them by score, um, and display them in a clean interactive dashboard right down here. Just I'll show that to you later on. Next, the review manager, right? The review manager where the app gathers customer reviews, organize them, and lets you export everything instantly. Then we move on to web, the web email scraper. Okay, as you can see here, it's trying to scrape right now because I already have a data on the what you call this on this database. Let me hold on. Yep, here's the database. I already scraped. Well, I already scraped some of the tables. Let me see here. Here are the leads that I've scraped, right? And there's also their phone numbers, their reviews, ratings, right? There also have ratings, reviews, website. It's all in here in one container, okay? And then there's also the score of each it's called this company. Although the latitude and longitude are not also scraped because I'm only targeting the score of the website or the company, the reviews, ratings, phone numbers, addresses, and the name of the what you call this company, clinic, uh, constructions, anyone. I mean anything. Okay. Now, then after the website email scraper, after that we explore the analytics, right? The analytics, what you call this? The analytics dashboard, okay? The analytic dashboard. This is it is a visual breakdown showing business ratings, review totals, right? Reviewed in the location heat maps and performance metrics right down here. So it's all already here. And aside from that, you can you can auto scale it, right? You can pan, zoom. You can download the plot as a PNG, and then reset the axis, right? Everything is in here. I think you can also manipulate well, you can, yeah, usually the total leads will be the same with the one on the SQLite 3 database. And if that's 35, let's see, okay? Yeah, it's 35 leads. So that's also the same with the table or with the dashboard, right? We also include a full marketing template, right? The template generator and email draft creator, giving businesses everything they need to promote and communicate effectively. Okay, let me see that right now, and that is the email marketing. Okay, you can click on generate the template, Yep, as you can see here, it's in here right now. Promote your daily clinic and with amazing offers. Okay, and also the email draft. You can draft your email here, right? And you can put your email template in here. And we also have a data explorer. Now the data explorer is a what you call this is a viewer where you don't have to go back or you don't have to go to your the actual database, right? Or open your if you have Microsoft Access, right? Firebase, Google Firebase, right? You don't have to go there and then access your database. You can do it right here. Like for instance, the leads, pull up the data, right? It's right down in here. So everything in here. Okay. All right. So the what you call this the score are also here, right? And you can filter them by business, email, or reviewer, right? And you can pull that, click on the drop down. There are also reviews, lead emails. Let's see. Let's click on lead emails and then pull up data. There you go. There's the email. Okay. And yeah, finally, the brand new the Data Explorer. It's a module pulls up all data directly from database, then lets you filter, search, export, visualize, and manage every leads, review, email your stored, right, or your stored email addresses, and all it means it's an all-in-one intelligent interface. If you want a modern and reliable premium grade Streamlit application, this demo will show you exactly how far you can take your apps, right? Now, it is an optimized. It's actually the best app right now that you can own out of the box, right? But this one is not yet available online. It's not yet live online. But soon I'm going to dispatch this or upload it in the Streamlit cloud. Although the Streamlit cloud sometimes it's going to sleep. I mean your application will going to sleep, and you just have to wake them up, right? It's will going to prompt you when you access the link. It will going to let you know that the app is currently sleeping. Okay, let me go there on my Streamlit cloud and let me show you the my cloud. Okay, just to let you know how it's going to how we can. Okay, hold on. I'm going to continue to sign in. Sorry about that. Okay, and then huh. Right now, it's trying to load. Okay, here are my three application. It's currently live online, and this one is this is a it pulls up the case numbers or the case status or the case applications online. And then I haven't posted that. I haven't posted a video on this one because it was owned by a client of mine. Okay, this one, this I already posted this video on my YouTube channel, and just to give you the demonstration that sometimes the application will going to sleep and you have to wake them up. Okay, you have to access that right now. Okay, as you can see here, yes, get this app back up because it's sleeping. and you have to yes, and then your app is going to a series of process to wake the application. It's like an alarm clock for the application, right? It will go to the process of waking the application. Well, it's not, I mean, it will not going to be that long to, yeah, as you can see, it's currently open right now. And you can have your own if you have an application or you have a Python app that you want to if you want to make that app live online, make sure that you're using Streamlit and the application that I'm using to make sure that I'm connected with Streamlit is the let me go on the upper portion of the uh, this app. It's on the module part. As you can see here on the hold on. It's I'm going to adjust the screen. All right, as you can see, import Streamlit as ST. So all of the elements on this app, you will see ST, right? Yeah, title, markdown, everything. There's an ST in there, okay? And then pandas for CSV, paycheck, PyDeck, sorry, and then Plotly Express. Those are the here's the database that I told you, SQLite 3 requests, right? I'm not using Playwright. I'm not using Playwright or Selenium in doing this because I'm doing API. All right, it's interacted with another platform so that that platform are going to get the data from Google. Okay? So if you really like this kind of video, or if you need this kind of application in the future that you want to get this kind of application or you want to use the application, just comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also send me an email if you have the time to send me an email because the email is in my in my description, right? Not on the description of the video, but on the description of my profile. Okay. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.